Hello, Sanbonan. It's A1 Music. You are watching Studio Wax. We are out here at Music Junkie, so book your session today. And anyways, today we are here to solve this problem of you are having this cubase. You have installed everything. Your MIDI is connected. Your sound card is connected, your speaker is connected, everything is working fine, but the sound is not coming out. So we have to look at the possibilities and see how we can solve the problem. Okay, so I have this project that I recorded. It's a single of mine that I have that is out. So I just wanted to play back and see how it came about. So the only problem is here when I play, as you can see, everything is playing and there's nothing coming out. So the first thing that we have to check the let me see, we have to check the sound card. Is it connected with the drivers? Our driver is connected, and then we can select the sound driver off, and that goes with the sound card. Then we can play. Mr. Jones. That's it from me, A1 Music, and it's the Studio Wax, and I hope you learned something today, and make those hits, man. We need more music, and also you must press subscribe, like, and comment, share the link. The knowledge is power. When I give you more and more every day. See you on the next episode. See ya.